So, good morning, class. Today I will discuss about the conic section. Conic section. In this chapter, I will discuss about the four basic figures. First one is the circle. Second is parabola. Third is ellipse. And fourth one is the hyperbola. This four figure is in your syllabus. So let us see one by one. So today especially I will make the video for only the circle. So see the what is the definition of circle. Circle. Circle is a collection of all the points in a plane. Circle is the collection of all the points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point. That are equidistant from a fixed point. And fixed point is known as the center of circle. And fixed point is known as center of circle. And fixed radius is known as radius of circle. Distance known as the radius of circle. So it is the collection of all the points in a plane. So this is the circle, and this is the fixed point O. It is known as center, and this distance is known as radius. So equation of circle when radius and coordinate of center are given. So write down the equation of circle. Equation of circle. Equation of circle when radius and coordinate of center are given. Equation of circle when radius and coordinate of center is given. So let center O be O equal to H comma P, and radius of circle and P is any point on the circle, and P is xy, any point on the circle. So using the distance formula, OP equal to R and OP equal to x minus h whole square y minus k whole square, this is equal to R. So squaring on both sides of the equation, so it is x minus h whole square y minus k whole square, this is R square. This is the equation of circle where HK is the center of circle and R is the radius of circle. Listen, when center is at the origin, second point is when second point center is at the origin, it means co-equal to h comma k, that is equal to 0, 0. So the value of h is 0 and k is also 0, and the equation of circle is circle x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equal to R square. Put the value h and k equal to 0. So x square plus y square equal to R square. This is the answer. Now, general equation of the circle. The general equation of circle is equation of circle. As you know, the equation of circle x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equal to R square. Now expand it. X square h square plus 2xh y square plus k square plus 2yk equal to R square. So this can be written x square y square plus 2xh plus 2yk equal to R square minus h square k square. Let h comma k equal to minus g minus f, because of this is the minus and this is the minus, so minus minus, so this become x equal to minus g and k equal to minus f. So x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy and this is equal to c. So it is minus c equal to 0. So this is the general equation of circle. Okay, if this is the general equation of circle, then center is equal to minus g comma minus f and radius r equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. So with the help of these two formula, we can solve all question of the exercise related to the circle. In next class, I will discuss about the equation of parabola and some problem related to the circle. Thank you.